Moin, Marina is here. In this video What's it?
Wake the fuck up, samurai. We have a city to burn.
Okay, Johnny, we'll do this together. First, I cut out circles from thick cardboard for the base. I want to make this place with fish and the Arasaka Tower. I cut out another circle from thin cardboard, cut it into half, bent it a little with my fingers and glue it to the base.
I'm just calling to say
I fill the space between the details with texture paste. I mark it on the base where the road would go and cut out a piece of cardboard to the desired shape. I glue strips of thin cardboard around the road edges. I curved the cardboard strip a little to make it easier to glue it in a circle. I glue pieces of cardboard to the road to raise it above the base. And I add a couple of strips of thin cardboard to the top of the walls. This will add details to the outside and help hide the lightning inside. I glued several pieces of cardboard to the bottom of the base. I paint all the details black with a brush and some parts grey with a sponge. Glue moss for miniatures inside the circle and under the walking path on the top. Night City need touch of nature.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.
I cut a circle out of clear plastic. I drew a grid of triangles on paper and outlined it with an acrylic marker. I glued the top and bottom of the miniature together and now I can add the light. I make a ring, secure it with wire and leave one diode in two places. This will be light for the fish. And now glue the top part in place. I sculpted the body of the fish from polymer clay and made a mold from silicone. To be honest, the mold turned out so I won't show it. I cast two fishes from epoxy resin. I used a drill to make holes in them for illumination. I make tails and fins for the fish on a curved piece of plastic from UV resin, connected them to the body and cover with the resin so that they are transparent.
This is the future. Human error.
I cut out the base parts of the tower from cardboard, and then I make a shape from pieces of different types of cardboard.
This is the future.
I make the front part out of plastic and use an acrylic marker to draw the Arasaka logo.
Evolution.
I fill the joints between the parts with texture paste so that light does not pass through.
We like to think we have some form of control still, making our constant binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. Well, does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
When everything is dry, I cover the tower with black paint.
Autonomy is an illusion.
I made two small buildings out of cardboard and painted them black.
Autonomy is an illusion.
For the windows, I sanded the plastic to make it matte and colored it with alcohol markers. I cut out letters on a strip of thin cardboard, colored a piece of plastic with a red marker, and glued everything together to the base.
Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What the does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
Now it's time to glue the tower and buildings. And the final result? Thank you for watching, let me know what you think about it in the comments, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Tschüss!
Autonomy is an illusion.
The Demolitron. We're good to blow.
Oh no, Johnny, please, I've been crafting it for so long!